Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Narayan and I'm currently pursuing BA LLB from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies. I'm interning under the LEXIS and Company, and today in this video I will be talking about the right to religion under the Indian Constitution. Under Article 25 of the Indian Constitution, right to religion has been given. It states that the freedom of conscience and free profession, practice, and propagation of religion. It says that subject to public order, morality, and health, and to the other provisions of this part, all persons are equally entitled to freedom of conscience and the right freely to profess, practice, and propagate religion. Secondly, nothing in this article shall affect the operation of any existing law or prevent the state from making any law. It also further states that the regulating or restricting any economic, financial, political, or other secular activity which may be associated with religious practice. Further, it states that for providing for social welfare and reform or the throwing open of Hindu religious institutions of a public character to all classes and sections of Hindus. It states that the wearing and carrying of kirpans shall be deemed to be included in the profession of the Sikh religion. It further states that for the reference to Hindus shall be construed as including a reference to persons professing the Sikh, Jain, or Buddhist religion, and the reference to Hindu religious institutions shall to be construed accordingly. Here, I would like to say that what is religion? When we say that we have the right to religion, what do we mean by that? What is religion? So, here I would like to give the definition by some of the very eminent political thinkers, such as Immanuel Kant, who stated that religion is the recognition of all our duties as divine commands. Whereas American sociologist, very famous sociologist Milton Younger said that a system of beliefs and practices by means of which a group of people struggles with the ultimate problems of human life can be termed as a religion. Moving further, let's see that this section upholds the principle of secularism in our constitution. Secularism is also mentioned in the preamble of the Constitution. So what do we mean by now secularism? So secularism means separate from religion. It states that the separation of religion from the government, social, economic, and cultural aspects of life, which means that India as a state do not interfere or do not intervene in the religious matter of its citizens or its subjects. For India, this matter is a personal choice of its subject, and they can choose that which religion they want to profess. So, therefore, there is no interference from the side of the state in these matters. Religion is an internally personal matter for the subjects of India. It is up to them that they want to choose which religion. So that also means that India does not have any official religion, and it has equal respect for all religions and faiths. It welcomes all religions and faiths in the same manner and is not biased towards any one. The word secularism is a part of the basic structure of the Indian Constitution. It was adopted in the Indian Constitution by the 42nd of Amendment. Now, the question here arises, or the confusion is, that was India secular before the 42nd Amendment? So the answer is yes, it was. The only reason why our lawmakers didn't included that word at that point of time was because of the reason that they were of the belief that that the Constitution itself states that, or itself proves or is evident that we as India is a secular country. So therefore, there is no need to add a word secular in the preamble or anywhere in the constitution. But by the 42nd amendment, we just adopted that word. So it is not like that after 42nd amendment we became secular. No, it was not. Before the 42nd amendment also we were secular. And now we are secular. So this concept enjoys a very high regard in the Indian democracy, and it helps to achieve the objectives of the democracy by giving the citizens the right to religion. It is a very important aspect in the Indian constitution, and secularism has been a part of the Indian culture, as we see that India has a very India's diversity. India has a very vast diversity, and it includes all the people from various religions, and therefore secularism has been a part of the Indian culture, and has coexisted in this country for centuries. All religious groups in India have the same powers without any discrimination, and no discrimination is being made by the state on the basis of the religion. Thank you very much.